In this video we're going to look at how to use the scale text to fit width plugin. In my scene tree I've made a rectangle, and on top of that I've put some flat 3D text. With the flat 3D text I'm going to turn off the word wrap mode. I'm going to set the width mode to automatic and the height mode to automatic. I'm going to change the origin of my axis and I'm going to make those on the left. I'm going to drag my text over now, and now I'm just going to make my text a bit longer to see how long I can make it to fill in the text. So that's the longest piece of text I'd like in that font size. So I'm just going to come down to my flat 3D text tools and I'm just going to hit left justification. I think it probably works without that, but I do it as a matter of course. So I've got my scale text to fit width. So what I do is I drag this up, drop that onto my scene. Now my text, I'm going to add a field onto that just because that's what I'm going to update later. So that's going to be a primary field this time. Now I'm going to go to my plugin and it says drag flat or extruded text object here, so I just drag my text and drop it in as the source. Now what I do is I go to my properties and I want to set my width. So it says update from field 1 here. If I reduce my width, this is the width at the point where it starts to scale. So I just come back out so it just stops scaling. There we are, 1090, that'll do. So that's run on field update. If I change my text now, here's my field marker manager. This is page 9. And what I'm going to do is just add some more text in here to see how this works. I click OK. And you can see it's automatically scaled to fit within the box. And if I go back to my original text, let's click on something else, and then it goes back to its original size. So it's very straightforward. Scale text to fit width. You apply it to the text object you want to scale, and you set the width here, and it'll stay within that width, but it'll scale the text within that width instead of squashing it together.